Addiction is a disease and not a moral failure. We've seen recently that there's been an uptick actually of gambling addiction in particular, and people may not realize, but gambling addiction can increase your risk of suicide by 15 times that. You're much more at risk to be able to be in a place where maybe there's a sudden loss where you lose everything, and about 2.5 million people around the country right now are struggling with a gambling disorder. Maybe 8 million people are in a place of sort of problematic gambling, partially because it's on your phone. The casino has never been in your pocket like it is now, and we're actually seeing that really hit especially young men. And part of the reason this is happening is that we're not prepared for the increase here. We're not prepared on the scientific community end. We were hoping that this is going to be something that will roll out slowly and we'll be able to provide resources for it. This only got included in the DSM in the last few years. We didn't even think about it as a full-blown disorder as early as we really should have been. And now we're seeing the consequences of that. So if you're somebody who's in the place of, maybe I've begun to lose things. Maybe my mood is changing. My attitude is changing. I'm more irritable. I'm more secretive. I'm hiding things from my family. Know that you're not just making bad choices. You're not just making moral decisions that are bad. You're going through something that can begin to hijack the very neurochemistry of your brain, and there's a way to treat it. So this is a time it's a message for you to reach out, and if you know somebody like that, to share with them that they need to be able to reach out as well. Because there's treatment. Treatment is very effective. On the other side of this, you'll be able to see a life that maybe hasn't felt familiar for a long time. I had a patient that was telling me they were gambling for hours and hours at a time, and it's taken over their life, but there's a way that you can get your life back.